What's up, y'all? Just gonna give you a quick demo on how I like to cut the juice grooves into my cutting boards these days. This isn't a totally original idea. This is just sort of a quick solution I came up with based on some other YouTube videos I saw. So I figured I'd show you guys a quick video on how I like to use this guy. So first I'm going to put down a baseboard. It's just a piece of scrap plywood. Just sort of helps me avoid drilling more holes in my workbench. Next, I like to just sort of make a dry run with the router not running. This is just to make sure nothing's going to get hung up. As I'm making these passes with the router, I'm taking off about 1/8 of an inch of material at a time, trying to move slow enough that I don't get any tear out, but I'm also trying to move fast enough that I don't burn the material. It's a good idea to go in a clockwise motion. If you were to go counterclockwise, it's going to want to kick away from the fence and you'll probably get some uneven lines.